When having a lot of moving parts and managing several businesses at one time, there's three factors that are extremely important to take into consideration. One, you have to manage people's expectations. When you're in a position of power, when you have a lot of resources, people need a lot of favors. People require a lot of things from you. You can't overpromise. You have to be realistic with what you can do and not spread yourself too thin. Anytime you cannot disappoint anyone for any reason, it's always a plus. So managing expectations is very important. Two, you need to create systems. Create systems that work for your business and create systems that people can follow. Only when systems are put together, tested, and executed, you can take your individual labor out of the equation and you're able to do more with less people. So creating a standard operating procedure, or SOPs, are extremely important in running several businesses.